Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this TCG seller review. Is it worth it? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in getting started with TCG Player. Maybe you want to sell some Pokemon cards in there. Is it actually worth applying to? Now I've been on TCG Player for about 2 months. And the one thing I really like about TCG Player is how easy it is to list cards. So you can practically list like hundreds of cards in less than an hour just because of their listing system, as compared to like posting cards on eBay or whatnot or on a Facebook Marketplace. So with TCG Player, you can mass list cards and people can buy it. And they have like a market system. They have a very, very large audience system of card collectors and buyers who are on TCG Player. So it's one of the most popular card websites out there aside from eBay. But with TCG Player, it's a very easy to use interface. There was like a 2 to 3 week waiting period when it came to me applying to TCG Player, and then them actually allowing me to actually sell on there. So it took a while, but even so, TCG Player, if you have the extra cards, if you have a lot of cards and you want to list them, listing them on eBay is going to take a long time, but listing them on TCG Player is going to take a short time. So definitely check it out. I highly recommend it, and I've had a good experience with them so far. I think I've only made like a couple $100 off of TCG Player within the past 2 months. There is a level system though, so I think to go from level 1 to level 2, you have to make like 2 5-star reviews, and going up in levels allows you to list more cards onto your TCG Player account. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain this TCG seller review. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.